Hello traders, hello everyone, welcome from vacation. I just decided to record the video because I can see some very interesting patterns and normally that occurs when I'm on a vacation. I'm here in Croatia on Pag with my family. So I have only 5, maybe 10 minutes maximum here for this video. So I want to look at the Aussie dollar because I really think that we have some very interesting developments here. As you know, we have seen a very strong drop here with a spike down into this end of December move, and then market recovered very significantly and looks like that this pullback after this reversal here at January highs was overlapping and slow. It looks like a correction. Also, always when you're looking at the corrections, watch out 78.6 and 61.8% fib levels, and those are very important levels for where market may reverse. Also, we have seen a very nice bounce from this lower parallel trend line, as you can see. So in my opinion, I think that we may see even more upside. In fact, this bounce on a smaller time frame was made by 5 waves. Okay, so here's the 1 hour chart. You can see waves 1, 2, 3, 4. Now looks like this was a 5, and now maybe irregular correction can be forming. So I think that more upside can be coming after a short-term pullback, which could provide a very nice entry. I'm long with a swing trade against those stop loss here down there from last week, and looks like that even more upside could follow, as I said, after a pullback. So if I'm correct, then maybe big wave C is in the cards. That could be actually even similar compared to wave A in distance. Okay, but always when I'm looking at or I see one very clear pattern on one market, I want to look and check what the correlated markets are doing. So as you know, Aussie and gold can have very tight correlation. However, this hasn't been the case for the last few months. But I think if gold will continue to see even more upside, that's when Aussie may stay supported as well. So let's take a look on those charts. Here is where it is. Okay, here it is. Gold versus Aussie. Okay, you can see gold is in black, Aussie is in blue, and you can see that there was a very nice and tight correlation here. Okay, but then we can see this gap, and if this gold will continue even higher, then obviously I think that Aussie will also find a support. Okay, especially if we consider that Aussie itself already shows a very good potential structure for more upside. Okay, and if we take a look on gold, actually you will see that there can be 5 waves in progress out of that triangle. So here's gold. Actually, I will take a look on a weekly chart. You can see a very nice break out of this triangle, and when that's the case, then wave C can be again similar compared to the distance in wave A, which could actually take us above 50%, maybe 61.8%. So watch out for more upside here. The important is also here on this daily chart that we need 5 waves up within wave C before we can say that uptrend is completed. This impulse, always when you see completed correction like this wave E, then you can expect, and then you see market actually breaking higher or lower in a downtrend. That's when you will watch out for a 5-wave structure before this big primary trend can be finished. And we can see only waves 1 to extended wave 3, so I think it's wave 4 and wave 5 will come, which means more upside. And if that will be the case, then of course Aussie could finally catch gold to the upside as well. Also, another market, as you know, is very important for Aussie dollar is Chinese yuan. So if we take a look on these charts as well, where I have them, you can see here that actually here we have a very tight correlation between Aussie in blue. Okay, so this is actually inverted Aussie dollar chart. Okay, because this in gray is a dollar against Chinese yuan, and you can see that there are very tight correlations. So if Chinese yuan will strengthen, then Aussie dollar will probably most likely strengthen as well. There is no tick by tick correlation, obviously, but there is, as you can see on your charts, clearly very tight there are very tight movements. So what is very interesting that on Chinese yuan, I can see more gains coming for this currency um, against the US dollar. So here's this 1 hour chart, okay, and you can see actually that there was very strong drop, correction, and even sharper move to the downside. So this looks like an extended wave 3 to me, right? And if that's the case, then this is now a wave 4 bounce that moved very nicely back into this resistance, and ideally we'll see wave 5 coming soon. And if that would prove to be correct, then obviously again Aussie could stay supported, Aussie could stay even more upside, especially as I said before, because we can see very nice bounce already happening now on Aussie dollar. So now imagine what will happen if Chinese yuan will also um, catch the upside here against the US dollar. Okay, so bottom line, gold is breaking higher. I see more upside coming after a pullback. Chinese yuan could also see possibly more upside after this. So yes, more upside against the US dollar after this recent wave 4, which suggests that Aussie dollar may continue higher, especially if we consider that we have a very nice deep pullback into these fib levels, and on the 4 hour chart I see 5 waves up. Okay, so watch out for pullbacks and expect more upside. Okay, traders, thank you very much for your attention. I will also maybe look at some Bitcoin charts in the next few days. I know that cryptocurrencies are going crazy, so make sure to follow us on Twitter as well, especially Elliott Wave Forecast, our Twitter account of the company, because we are posting a lot of more cryptocurrencies there. Okay, so if you're interested in any type of our analysis on Elliott waves on FX or even cryptocurrencies, make sure to check our offer. We have 50% off on the first month of these monthly packages. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you soon. Bye.